What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be playing Escape the Crow's Nest Part 2 with my buddies. Kenny's not here, so...
Dude, we're lovers, not just buddies.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Come here.
And we got a new guest.
Dreener. Dude, come here. We're about to gangbang him. Come on. Come on. Hey, guys.
Come here. Come here.
Alright, let me out. No.
Come in!
Okay, we're getting into the level right now. The speed run starts off from right here. Watch out, speeder. Get back. Okay, that works. Go. Find the skeleton.
You got a dumpy.
This way.
You got a dumpy.
Oh, shit. This way. Just hustle.
Everybody's coming
No!
out of this sloppy toppy.
Did you... What?
A what?
Speeder? This way. Ah!
Spooters, there's spooters.
Okay, go.
Keep running.
Spooters.
No, they're gonna attack me. Go.
Spooters.
Shit.
Here, I'll go first. I'm the meat shield.
No,
I'm
we
the
can't
meat
go
shield.
through there. What is that?
What is
Those are
what?
spiders.
Try to
Go, just go.
No shit, Peter.
No shit. Go. No, okay, thank you.
Oh, where's this?
Oh, this way.
Oh, that was not a jump scare.
Okay, now we can escape. Ah! Okay, I think we can go back to the beginning now. We have to find a door, I think.
I don't think so.
Toppy. This way.
Big boy.
That wasn't really that scary.
Everybody's coming when I give them the slap.
There's a door. Guys, this door's boarded up. There's a boarded up door.
This way.
There's a boarded up door over here.
Where are you?
Hold on, I think we can escape now.
Shit. The door's
This
boarded up.
way, this way.
The door's boarded up.
Oh, this way.
I know, we saw it.
Skeleton man.
No, the door is
No.
boarded, bro.
Everybody's coming when I give them the sloppy toppy.
Go left. Look at this. There's a boarded up door.
We already went that way. What is happening? Oh, we need to find a key, right?
There's a
Yeah.
boarded
No,
up
we need to
door.
find it.
Right there. We need a crowbar.
Oh, skeleton. Move it. Oh, locked. No. Oh, remember this? I think it's over here.
Yeah. Everybody's coming
Yeah.
when I give them the
There should be a-
sloppy toppy.
Key.
I got a torch.
Key. Let's go. Key.
Go.
Speeder, move! If I die, you guys need to pick up this key, alright? Maybe it goes here?
No, I saw where it goes. Come on. I know where
Guys,
it goes.
move it! I like to move
It's right in the middle.
I die! I'm gonna pick up the keys.
I got the key.
Come on, it's over here.
Everybody's
Yeah.
coming. Everybody's coming.
Yeah,
when
I think
give
is
the
it this
sloppy
one?
toppy.
Go!
No.
Go!
The keyhole.
It's not. Oh,
Nice.
what about this way?
No,
What
right
about
here.
What?
Right here. This is it.
No, it's right here. Guys, you see where the skeleton's pointing? Go that way.
Guys, it's down that locked door right there, the hallway, right there.
Yeah. No, right here. It's right here.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Here's game crash.
Port.
İnanın babacı.
We're so thirsty. Bring us some water, and we'll help you escape.
The bucket! Sorry, my game crashed. I don't even...
We're so thirsty.
Everyone, shut
Bring
up!
us some water, and we'll
Why are you
help
sitting like that?
escape.
He's got a boner.
Meditating.
You get it? He's got a boner? You get it? Okay, sorry. What do you have to do here again?
We're so thirsty.
Damn, we
Bring
get
us
it!
some
Oh, right, we
water,
go back. Come on, this
and
way.
we'll help you escape. We're so
Hello?
thirsty. Bring us
Damn,
some
okay.
water, and we'll help you
Go
escape.
back.
Everybody's dripping when I give them the sloppy
Guys,
toppy.
no, guys, the water, there's a faucet down there by them.
Okay, these things can't kill you, by the way.
No, we need to get a
These
bucket.
things that go...
We need to get a bucket.
Yeah, it's in here. Oh, that scared me so goddamn much.
But those things can't kill you.
It says bucket. I don't think we should go in there. It seems like unethical.
Now get the fuck.
We need a
out of the
bucket.
way.
I don't
We
think-
need a bucket. You
No, I don't
fucking
think
idiot.
Everybody's drippy. when I give them-
Everybody, cool, and you give them the sloppy topper. What was
Everybody's
the point of putting us?
Everybody's dripping
What?
when
What
I
the hell,
give
boy?
them a
11 spiders!
You guys
It's 11 spiders!
Activate the
It's
hint
11
box.
spiders!
Guys, it's the hint box.
No,
Look
don't
at the
do
hint
it.
box.
I know how
we
many
already
there
know what
are.
to do. We already know what to do.
for
Everybody's
11.
dripping. Everybody's dripping.
9
when I
or-
give them-
Oh no, it was 10, right?
What?
I don't think that was right. Good.
1,
Okay,
2, 3,
I think it's...
4.
There's no 11, it must be 12. Oh my god, are you kidding? No, it's 12. There's 12 of them, I think. We just gotta try them all. Ah!
Every time I go in this level, I feel like there's spiders in my neck.
I got it.
Ah, Jesus! Why would you scare me like that?
Move.
Move! Alright, put speeder. Put speeder.
Oh, what? What the
What?
fuck?
Huh?
Fuck, man.
Bro, how many speeder? What is happening? Okay, go look for more speeder, I guess. Wait. Nope. Go look for more. What is... We didn't have to find this many last time. I don't know what's that.
One here.
There's a bar. Why is there a bar here?
There's one spider
Why
lying
is there a
right
metal
here.
bar?
I can't grab it.
Oh.
Wait, no, I know what to do.
I think it's bugged. You never
No.
get this key. You can never get
It's this
yeah,
key.
Yeah.
Should've.
No,
You can't
never
get that key. It's like it's just a prank, basically. All right, we gotta
Oh,
figure this out. Oh, there's a spider right there. That's why.
Yeah.
All right, go.
Everybody's coming.
How
Everybody's coming when
on,
I give
please.
them the sloppy.
many?
We need that one spider.
What? And we didn't need. What is happening to my game?
Bro,
Wait,
I
what?
like grab the bucket.
What?
Bro, something's
What is?
game.
Oh! Get the bucket. There's a
got
bucket with shit
I
in
got it.
Yes, okay, come back
Yeah.
with a shit bucket.
Open,
Come
open,
back with
open,
the shit
open.
bucket. Yes. Shit.
I'm
I got the
back.
shit bucket.
Open,
got the shit
open,
bucket.
open. Do we have to go back here?
Why are these all destroyed?
Fucking times.
Oh, I got the shit bucket. I got the shit bucket.
60 minutes
Yo! This is open. This is
Hey,
open.
shut the fuck up. Oh,
Come here.
I got it. I'm coming. Everybody's coming when I do the sloppy toppy. Oh,
There's some little demon baby.
oh yeah, you can't.
It's a demon.
You can't touch them or else they'll fuck you.
Oh, run!
Everybody's coming when I give the sloppy toppy. Oh,
Guys, go to app chat. Go to app chat.
I'm going to Apchat. I got fuck.
You really got shit on. Oh my god, you're so trash. I know where to go.
Wait, am I in? Can you hear me?
You're in app chat. You're good.
Alright.
I know where to go.
Everybody's coming when
Move!
I get the
Move!
I got the bucket. Fuck, I died. No, I didn't. I had the bucket. You so retarded.
We need a key. I think.
No,
Because I have the bucket.
We need to
Oh my god, I didn't even die, bro. What is this game? Spawn the bucket. Guys, the bucket isn't
Run back!
respawning.
Run! Move!
There we go. We're good.
Run back! I'm cornered!
Are you kidding me?
I got
These
the
girls are... These guys need a nerf. Okay, go, run, this way.
I got bucket.
Dude, these buckets. Oh, this way. Trust.
I got
this
shit in bucket. I got
Wait, no, it was this way. Wait, where was it? Where was the... Nope, not this. We need a key, I think.
When chicken in the sloppy toppy. Poopy
Sloppy
boho,
doppy. Nothing over there.
poopy boho.
We need a key with the open... Oh, wait, maybe we can go back to the... Oh, wait, I think we have to go back to the entrance.
Poopy boho, poopy boho. I want you.
Hey! Okay. Nope. Dude. Ah!
I had the bucket! I had the... I didn't even touch that bitch. You got me, man.
That would be good, because she's a minor. She is a minor. You better not touch her.
What?
This way. We have to get in here somehow. We have to get in here somehow. Last time we got in here, but...
We need a key.
So I stopped the fish. And now I'm in a go. Bro. We need to get a key. Come on.
What about this pumpkin room? What's in this pumpkin room?
No,
No.
we never get in there. We haven't even gotten in there. I didn't die! What do you mean? You guys have the bucket still. Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Dude, they're like... Oh my god! Why did you
Run.
like that? I got the bucket, don't worry.
Poopy boho. I
Poopy
want
poopy
your
butthole.
bacon.
Poopy butthole.
Poopy boho, poopy boho.
Maybe we need the crowbar. Hey,
That's what I said.
Hey, watch out!
Move!
Go. You killed me, bro.
I got the bucket.
I got the bucket. How many? No! Are you fucking kidding me?
Poopy boho.
Poopy poopy butthole. Poopy butthole. Poopy butthole.
Everyone said they give me.
Oh, please don't. Please don't. Please, thank you so much.
Oh, he's right behind you.
I found it.
He's right behind you. She's right behind you.
I found it. We're going to... Trust me, shut up.
I got the bucket, but he's gonna say shit's still floating in.
We got the
Shit's
shit
still
bucket.
floating in the bucket. Scrub it clean first.
We need
This
to give
key
this
should
to
help
somebody.
you.
There's a key. Hey, I got a key. I got a key. I got a key.
Oh my god, his game probably crap.
I got a key.
Oh, then we need that. Hold on, try unlocking the door. Guys, we
I got a key.
yeah. Shit's still floating in the bucket. I'm not. I'm sitting on my ass, bro.
I got the key.
Say, give me bomb. That. It's still floating in the...
I have a key. I have a key.
Come here. Alright, guys, there's gonna be because it's really short because of kept on crashing. And so yes, we're gonna have to end the video here. If you guys enjoyed, smash the like button, subscribe. It really helps out my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.